Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get the Lamborghini Gallardo in Forza Horizon 5 easy method. Open the auto show, set filters to Lamborghini, and inspect listings immediately. Note the credit cost and condition, then compare auction and auto show prices to decide. If unavailable, complete event rewards and seasonal challenges to earn credits quickly. Use wheel spins and trade with friends to find better deals and avoid wasting credits. Open your festival playlist and focus on seasonal championships that reward large credit sums and car events that net big payouts. Run PR stunt routes and skill chains to build a steady income while enjoying gameplay. Save wheel spins for double reward periods and flip undervalued auction finds for profit. Combine these methods so credits accumulate naturally and you reach the Gallardo price point without grinding boring repetitive tasks or losing momentum. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy videos like this. Quick recommendation. Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, is the simple path to wealth, and it pairs nicely with smart in-game spending humor. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Use auction filters to narrow results to Lamborghini and Gallardo, then sort by lowest buyout or ending soon to spot bargains. Watch listings closely and place conservative bids near the end to avoid driving the price too high. Check condition, installed upgrades, and seller reputation before buying to prevent costly surprises. If you win, move the car to your garage, confirm any upgrade compatibility, and prepare for a celebratory drive through the festival roads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.